In this session of Subject Entrepreneurship and Startup Management, Unit 5, let's discuss about the topic Introduction to Business Ethics, meaning, definition, features, and various types of ethics with relevant example. The concept of ethics is rooted in the Greek word, which is ethos, which refers to character, guiding beliefs, standards, or ideals that govern a group of community's behavior. It is essential to realize business ethics involves principles guiding fair and just behavior in business decisions and actions. Business ethics is a form of applied ethics that examines the moral and ethical problems that arise in a business environment. It sets a standard of moral principles and values that guide the conduct of an organization and its individuals, going beyond mere legal compliance to determine what is right and what is wrong in business operations. Business ethics essentially involves applying ethical principles and moral values to all business activities, ensuring decisions and actions are conducted with the human touch and promote the welfare of society. The popular definition of business ethics given by Joseph Sun Institute, ethics is defined as standards of conduct that indicate how one should behave based on moral duties and virtues. Another popular definition is according to Robert. Business ethics is the study of complex business practices and behaviors that gives rise to ethical issues in organization. Business ethics studies and evaluate business decisions, making through moral concepts and judgments. Ethics refers to standards of conduct driven by moral duties, virtues, and distinction between good and bad. Role in business practice. Business ethics guides behavior, business decision making, and corporate culture. It helps in shaping a good stakeholder interactions. The nature of business ethics or features or characteristics. Ethical value. It is concerned with morality in business. It ensures a business direct impact on society's well-being and welfare is positive. It emphasizes on moral principles, guiding every business operations and prioritizing societal welfare. Relativity of ethics. Morality and immorality differ from one society to another. What is considered unethical in one society might be a routine affair in others. Example, collecting of an additional money or bribe for a regular activity. Analytical and diagnostic nature. Business ethics analyzes practices to identify ethical or unethical behavior and their implications, and to establish what the firm ought to do or what it plans to do. The next is prescriptive and evaluator rule. Business ethics provides guidelines to judge and improve ethical conduct and behavior in day to day business activities. The next set of features are, which also talks about the interest of society. Business ethics implies that the business has a social responsibility to protect the interest of all those groups involved, such as employees, shareholders, and consumers. Let's move on to understand the nature of business ethics. Consumer rights protection. Business ethics ensures fair treatment of consumers and prevents any type of malpractices such as adulteration or false advertising. Social responsibility. Business ethical practices promotes responsibility towards all its employees, society, the environment, and safeguarding the workers' interests and protecting the natural resources. And very important need for business ethics is to equitable distribution of profit. Business ethics supports fair profit sharing among employees, shareholders, and suppliers, hence promoting socialism in business. Building trust and sustainability. Ethical practices fosters trust between businesses and society. It ensures customer welfare and long-term success in buyers' markets. Let's discuss about the types of business ethics. The first type is general business ethics. It covers broad ethical concerns like CSR, corporate social responsibility and governance, addressing issues such as hostile takeovers and industrial espionage. Functional business ethics focuses on ethical standards in specific business areas like accounting, marketing, HR, production, and intellectual property. International business ethics, it deals or concerns the issues and moral values that emerge due to the international business background, such as the debate over the civilizing linkage of moral values. Ethics of economic systems explores moral implications of economic models and their impact on wealth distribution worldwide.